Welcome to this review of the HOMTIVA RF19BF10 AC/DC Refrigeration Controller. If you own an RV, boat, or a mini home freezer, this controller might be exactly what you need to keep your cooling system running efficiently and reliably. Let's dive into its features and performance. First, the dual power input capability is a game changer. The RF19BF10 accepts both 100 to 240 VAC mains power and 1224 VDC battery supply. This means you can use it in your home on standard electricity and then switch to battery power when you're on the road or off-grid. The durable pin terminal construction ensures steady power transmission, so your fridge keeps running without interruptions. Next, the smart load power adjustment is a standout feature. The controller dynamically calibrates output based on the internal temperature of your fridge. This reduces wear on the compressor from repeated starts, cuts down on idle power waste, and ultimately extends the lifespan of your portable cooling hardware. Whether you're on a long road trip or living off-grid, this intelligent power regulation saves energy and money. Compatibility is broad. This controller supports maintenance and part replacement for camper vans, travel trailers, marine cooling systems, desktop mini freezers, and solar cold storage setups. It's designed for compact portable fridges, not full-size household refrigerators, to avoid load mismatch issues. So if you have a small fridge in your RV or boat, this is a perfect fit. Noise performance is excellent. The tuned load control suppresses operational hum compared to older fixed power circuits. The mild operating sound won't disturb your sleep in a truck sleeper cabin or tent, making it ideal for long cross-country travel. Finally, the heavy-duty structural design from HOMTIVA uses reinforced rigid plastic housing to shield the internal circuitry against road dust, chassis vibration, and minor moisture splashes. The molded multi-pin connectors simplify wiring for quick DIY installation in automotive, marine, and compact household refrigerator setups. Overall, the RF19BF10 is a versatile, smart, and durable controller that enhances the performance and longevity of your portable refrigeration system. Highly recommended for RV enthusiasts, boaters, and off-grid campers. Thank you for watching. Check the description for purchase links and further details.